If you're trying to build an online course website on WordPress, you've probably hit the same problem I did. There are a lot of LMS plugins and most of them lock the good stuff behind paywalls. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 LMS plugins that I've tested hands-on, building into what their free versions actually give you, where they start to break, and whether the premium upgrade is even worth it. But before we start, I won't go into every tiny setting or feature. Instead, I'll keep things simple, skip the surface level stuff, and give you my honest opinion after using each plugin. Number 1. Tutor LMS. If you're just starting out, Tutor LMS is honestly one that gets you moving the fastest. It feels modern, clean, smooth, and not trying to overwhelm you. Now, let's talk about some pros. I know this sounds very surface level, but the first thing you'll notice is just how nice it feels to use. Trust me, after testing a bunch of clunky LMS plugins, this one is like a breath of fresh air. You can go from zero to a fully working course with lessons, quizzes, and payments in under an hour without getting stuck in settings. And the free version isn't crippled. You can actually sell courses with PayPal or Stripe without paying a cent. Now, some cons. If you want certificates, progress tracking, or limited time sessions, then you'll need to upgrade to the Pro plan. Also, once you start scaling, let's say after 10 or more courses, the dashboard can feel a bit slower than usual. The pricing is free forever, or you can also upgrade to the $199 per year plan for Pro. If you're building your first course website, then I recommend starting with the free plan and later upgrading it to the Pro one. Number 2. LifterLMS. LifterLMS isn't the launch in 10 minutes option. It's the build a real learning business option. Memberships, bundles, gated paths, the whole thing. Now, let's talk about some pros. The first pro is control. You can decide exactly how students move. Finish course A, then unlock course B, no shortcuts. You can also sell memberships and bundles without bolting on extra tools. It feels built for recurring revenue from day one. And once it's configured, it's steady. I've thrown heavy traffic at it and it didn't wobble. Now, some cons. Setup takes time. You'll spend an afternoon connecting lessons, access plans, and memberships before it feels right. Payments aren't free. You need a paid gateway add-on just to accept Stripe or PayPal payments. The core pricing is free. Payment add-ons start at around $99 each and bundles start at $199 per year. If you're building an academy or membership business, start with the free plan, then move to a bundle once you're ready to sell. Number 3. Sensei LMS. If your site already uses WooCommerce, Sensei is the obvious pick. It feels native because it is. Same ecosystem, same logic. Now let's talk about some pros. Checkout is a non-issue. You just link a course to a WooCommerce product, set a price, and you're taking payments. Learning mode is genuinely nice. It turns a lesson into a focused, distraction-free experience for your students to actually enjoy. Updates are also drama-free. I don't hold my breath when I click update. It plays nicely with WooCommerce. Now some cons. The best extras, certificates, detailed grading, analytics, live behind paid extensions. Course page design is opinionated. If you want complete layout control, you'll hit walls unless you write CSS. And if you don't use WooCommerce already, Sensei is more setup than you need. The core pricing is again free. Extensions typically range around $49 to $149 per year each. If WooCommerce is already your store, start free and add on only the extensions you truly need. Number 4. LearnPress. LearnPress is the veteran. It's not flashy, but it's flexible and cheap to run if you're willing to tinker around. Now, let's talk about some pros. You can ship a real course for free, no fake trials, no feature locked at lesson 3. It's modular, so you can install what you need. Certificates, co-instructors, prerequisites, add as you grow. And if you like building your own stack your way, it gives you the room. You're not stuck into someone else's layout. Now, some cons. The interface feels old school. It works, but it won't wow you or your team. Once you stack lots of add-ons, things can get messy. Performance and settings sprawl are real. Theme compatibility can be hit or miss. Expect a little trial and error. The core pricing is free. The Pro bundle, all the add-ons, is $249 lifetime. If you want maximum control with minimal annual spend, start free and grab the lifetime bundle when you're committed. Number 5. Masteriyo. Masteriyo is the one that surprised me the most. It feels modern in the way the others should. Quick edits, one screen, no reloads. Now let's talk about some pros. I know it sounds very surface level again, but the speed matters. Everything happens in one live builder, no page hopping, no waiting, and it changes how fast you produce courses. You can reuse lessons and quizzes across courses. When you scale, that one feature saves you hours every week. Payments are also built in with the free plan. Connect PayPal or Stripe without paying any extra charges. Now, some cons. Certificates, drip scheduling, and deeper analytics sit in the Pro version. Integrations are growing, but it doesn't have the huge ecosystem that Lifter or Tutor LMS enjoy. Automation options are lighter. You won't find every if this then that scenario. Pricing is simple. You get a free plan. The Pro starts at $199 a year or $499 lifetime for unlimited sites. If you manage multiple sites, the lifetime plan is an easy win. Pay once and keep building. So that's it. These are the 5 best LMS plugins that you can actually trust in 2025. By the way, this video was brought to you by Airlift. It's our free speed optimization plugin that helps your site get a 90+ page speed score. If you want to try it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn how to build a course booking website, watch this video.